Hey, my kings and queens and everything in between. Do you get that feeling? It's the feeling of knowing that tonight, I'm not just attending, I'm also headlining. So I'm Luna, also known as Glorious Luna. And if you know me, you know how much the spotlight helps me. And vice versa. And we are going for showstopper realness right here on SSBeauty's YouTube channel with the biggest beauty event of the year. Showstoppers. Buckle up. Let's grab your favorite highlighter and your fiercest attitude and let's get spotlight ready. You know, most of us queer people actually do have a little spotlight within us, and on some days we actually dial it up to 100. And being the center of attention is not just fun, but also very powerful. I know, I look a little crazy with these brows, but now it's time for a skin. So for a show-stopping natural glow, the answer is skincare, and skincare. And I'm using this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And of course, before my foundation, I need to color correct this beard area. I mean, I want to be a woman. And I use this orange to kind of cancel out the green. And for that, I'm using this Cutie Pie MAC palette. After my color correction, I like to go with like a really heavy full coverage foundation because it's drag. And for that, I like to use M.A.C to do fixed fluid foundation because it gives me the best canvas. I mean, let's be honest, we're here to paint not just the face, but also full mood. And drag queens have taught us the ultimate lesson that makeup is limitless. It's for everybody, anywhere, with any amount of flair. And tonight, we are creating a masterpiece. And for that, we need to bring out the concealer! And for that, I'm using this M.A.C palette. And you know it's perfect. So just a little dab here. And here. Here and here and blend and blend. This palette can do everything. So I'm going to use this, the darkest brown, and I do like that, and here. Do you see this? This could cut the patriarch. I'm done with my contouring and I'm gonna set my face with this setting powder, which is a translucent one. I do like a full beat with this powder because it kind of like helps me go on for a long time. You have to turn into a beast before you turn into beauty. So now with my eyes, I'm gonna start with this M.A.C Spectre blush. I'm such an informal pickup artist. I use like all kinds of products in all kinds of places. So I'm going to use this blush as a base for my eye. So now I'm going in with this Givenchy eyelid to do my crease. And then I'm going to go with like a darker brown to make this crease a little stone. So the thing is, with liner, the first one is always great. But let's see if I could do the second one. Wow, I'm so proud of myself. So now that I have gotten rid of my old brows, it's time for some new. And I'm using this Anastasia brow pomade. So I'm using this Mascara kajal for my waterline to give like a sexy cat eye effect. Then I go in with the same color as my crease. So now I'm gonna go with this same MAC concealer palette to draw under my brow to give it some lilacs. So now it's time to remove all the powder. I'm gonna go back with this Max Factor blush. Now I'm gonna go back with this Clarins blush on top to give some extra juice. The shade number is 03 and it's called Cheeky Rose. You mean cheeky? So now that my cheeks are a little rosy, I'm gonna go with this Arcelia highlighter palette. And I'm gonna use this shade here. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's literally saying, we're here and we're not going anywhere. Oh girl, this highlighter is so pretty. Tell me I'm not a showstopper. It's time for some lashes. Now it's time for my lips. So we're gonna apply my lips with this. And then now that I'm done lining my lips, this is the time for the lipstick for Legends. And this is what I'm wearing. It's from Lancôme in the shade French Touch. I love that. You're not just making an entrance, you're also making statement. Just like my lips. And to finish it all off, I'm gonna use this setting spray from Smashbox to lock it all this perfection. Now it's time for the look. And this is my showstopper look. Go check out all the products that I had used during SSBeauty's Showstopper event. Don't forget to like this video and go on my darlings. Shine like you mean it. Leave a little sparkle everywhere you go. See you in the spotlight, darlings.